Hello learners, this is Habiba with Excel with me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is research in education, with the new topic quantitative data analysis. Now what is quantitative data analysis? It is analyzing data that is number based or data that can be easily converted into numbers without losing any meaning. Now let's see with an example here. Category based variables like gender, ethnicity or native language could all be converted into numbers without losing meaning. For example, Hindi could equal 1, English 2, etc. That means we will take the data, whatever questions we ask to the subjects related to maybe gender, language or anything, we can code them, we can give them numbers to calculate that data. This contrasts against qualitative data analysis, where the focus is on words, phrases and expressions that can't be reduced to numbers here. Now quantitative data analysis, what does it happens here? It expected to turn raw numbers into meaningful data, as we have understood, through the application of rational and critical thinking. Now quantitative data analysis may include the calculation of frequencies of variables or differences between variables. If we are taking different variables, if we want to see the difference, that we will take, or we will calculate the frequencies of, if we are taking one variable, the frequency of that variable we are going to count or analyze. Now a quantitative approach associated with finding evidence to either support or reject hypothesis formulated at the earlier stages of research process. Obviously, whatever study we are doing related to research, in the earlier stages, what happens here? We want to find the evidence. Why? To support our research problem, maybe whatever objectives we have created, whatever hypothesis we have taken, maybe null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis or null hypothesis to accept or reject. Through this only we understand with the analysis. Now quantitative analysis generally used for the three purposes. Now let's see what are those three purposes here. Number one, to measure differences between groups. For example, the popularity of different clothing colors or brands. We can check it out. Second, to assess relationships between variables. For example, the relationship between weather, temperature and voter turnout, that we can take it. The third one, to test hypothesis in a scientifically rigorous way. For example, a hypothesis about the impact of a certain vaccine. So these are the three purposes this quantitative data analysis is done: to measure the difference, to assess the relationships, to test hypothesis. Now quantitative analysis work analyzing numbers, which involves obviously the statistics. Now statistical analysis methods form the engine that powers quantitative analysis. These methods can vary from pretty basic calculations, for example averages and medians, to more sophisticated analysis, for example correlations and regressions. Now quantitative data analysis methods, let's understand here. Data collection forms a major part of the research process. This data, however, has to be analyzed to make sense of. There are multiple methods of analyzing quantitative data collected in surveys. Now let's see what are all those. Otherwise, we will continue all these in the next class. Cross tabulation, trend analysis, gap analysis, SWOT analysis, text analysis. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. In the next class, I will discuss all these quantitative data analysis methods. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.